Hey everybody, welcome back. Like every single time I come here, I meant to come here much earlier, but it's just a busy time of my life. And if I look like a bit of a robot, it's because I threw my neck out really badly, and that's partly why there's been a delay in content. I literally had my car packed like a little scout guide. I was ready to go. I was so prepared, and I woke up that morning and I couldn't move. I literally couldn't move, and it's because I was throwing 35-pound girls on a bed playing a game, and that's just where I'm at with my body now. My 34-year-old body is starting to give up. I go on a business trip tomorrow to Texas, and we've basically already missed the fall. There's some leaves on the trees. It's sad. I tried getting out here earlier, but I'm like 4 days too late. Anyhow, I don't think we're gonna do much work today, but just this is the first time Rory has been to the site. It's the first time my wife and Reese have been here since a year and a half ago. So we're just gonna spend a couple hours here, enjoy the day, and you never know, maybe we'll be able to do a little work. I brought my tools, but I'm not looking to fully paralyze myself before I go out on a work trip tomorrow. So anyhow, let's get after it. Do you see any fish in there?
No, there's no fish in here.
What'd you think, Reese? Reese, is this a good hike? She opted to walk instead of going for a tractor ride. Reese, why didn't you want to go for a tractor ride? Because why?
Because I'm afraid.
You're afraid? Oh, do you like walking? Reese, look at that. What do you think, Reese? What do you think?
Good. Fantastic.
Yeah? Should we go see if the rat's in here? All right, let's go to that the dookie den.
Did you build it?
Yeah. You like it?
Now what?
We're gonna see if Duke the rat's in here. Oh, I think he is. He's going through my box of nails.
A monster. That is a little rat.
Yeah, he's pooping like you wouldn't believe.
What's in there? Like silver?
Plastic.
Oh.
That way when your pee gets out of control, it's not gonna hit the wood. What do you think, Liz?
Great. Oh, and you put our old flooring in there?
Yeah.
Ah, that's so good.
Would you take a squat on that?
I would.
That was kind of a weird response. I would. We haven't totally missed the fall colors, but it's hard to see when the sun's not out, unfortunately. It's hard to see. I guess we try and put up another board or two, right? Why not?
Whoa, okay.
What do you think?
Good.
Did Daddy do a good job? Did Daddy get after it?
Yep. Wow, there's lots of clay on here.
Woo! Look at this, Reese. To do my old dances.
Yeah, isn't that a cool view?
I love it, babe. You did it.
Man, look at it. I can't believe it. All the leaves are pretty much gone.
In like 2 weeks span.
Tell me what we should do to the cabin. What else do we got to do?
We got to find Duke.
Oh, Duke the rat?
Yeah.
Okay, but how about on the cabin? What else does the cabin need, do you think?
Maybe some slide doors.
Some side doors?
Yeah.
What else?
Maybe some glue so you can stick the door to it.
Oh, that would make sense. Yeah, maybe we should just glue the door instead of nailing it. That would be a Woodness goodness way of doing it, wouldn't it?
Yeah.
Well, I guess while we're here, we'll throw up a couple boards. They there, babe? So I'm gonna put up the middle part, because why not? Yeah.
We're making a nest.
Oh, thank you, Rory Gray. This video will be cute. There won't be a whole lot getting done. Yeah, it's so nice, isn't it?
That wasn't so bad. No flinching.
But yeah, can you just imagine how cozy this will be? Especially in the winter, actually.
What will you do for heat? Will it just be constant fire?
Yeah. Oh, I can barely lift my head up.
Okay. If it's too much, you don't do it. You know.
Wait, how did I? Oh, I forgot I had a.
Are we safe right here?
Yeah, you're safe. Because I forgot I have a.
I can get some for you.
Gotta take an inch off for the bottom plate.
We don't want.
It's getting down to what, like 35 degrees at night, and then today is like 90. All right, we're gonna make another loud noise, okay?
Okay.
All right, Reese, ready?
Say when.
Cover your ears. Here we go. Perfect.
Safety gloves.
What the heck is going on here?
Help Daddy.
What's going on here? Oh, God.
Hey, you're not gonna drop that, right?
I don't think I'm gonna drop it.
Dad,
Hey, Reese.
just be careful so you don't fall.
Okay, thank you, baby.
It's supposed to be straight.
I know, it is supposed to be straight. I couldn't tell you. Couldn't tell you what's going on here.
Reese shirtless with that long necklace and survive.
Oh, don't touch any buttons. Perfect. You're gonna push on this for me, okay? And I'm gonna pull. Okay, Reese? You ready? 1, 2, 3, push. 1, 2, 3, push. 1, 2, 3, push. Good job, Reese. Good job. Holy smokes, Reese, you're strong. Show me your muscles. You like that sound? You can't come up here, baby. It's way too high. When you're older. Oh, goodness gracious. This is so silly. This is why you gotta be more exact, Graham. Come on, baby. Oh. Probably cut a little more than I needed to, but that's fine. She'll fit.
That property, not even knowing.
It's a solo pet.
What's this one?
One board. That's all we want to do. Just one little board. Yeah.
The world.
Okay. We're good. Right there. That's not going nowhere. No way. Okay. Pretty good. Turn a little, turn a little. There you go. Good job, Reese. Good job. Oh, wrong way. Left, left, left. Oh! Good job, Reese. Is that good? Thumbs up. Well, my kids have reached their wall and we've got one board up. But we're happy. Loud noise. Okay. I think so. Okay, it's 3 boards technically, right? Family day at the cabin, eh? Okay, Reese. Here, sit right here with me. Okay. Do you have any ideas of what you want to see in this cabin? What should Daddy build? Okay, what should Daddy build in this cabin? You're talking to the fuzzy thing. Not too close though. Right there. There you go.
Maybe a pillow right here.
A pillow right there? Why do you want a pillow right there?
Because we can lay there.
Should we put a fireplace in here?
Yeah.
Why should we put a fireplace in here?
Because so you can do fire.
Do you like fires?
Yeah.
Why do you like fires?
Because they're so warm.
Yeah? What else should I put in the cabin?
Maybe a jump bed.
A jump bed? Like a bed you can jump on, you mean?
Yeah.
Should we build another floor up there to have a bed way up in the sky?
Yeah.
Would that be cool?
Yeah. So I can jump on there, like a jump bed.
A jump bed, okay.
We need a pillow, heart pillows.
Heart pillows. What's your favorite part?
My favorite is the roof.
What makes the roof your favorite?
The gates.
The gates, okay. Yeah.
It's waiting for you. Welcome to the York. Thank you for me. Now smash the like button. Thank you for watching Woodness Goodness. Shut the gate.
Smash the like button.
Okay, guys, I hope you enjoyed this little update video. I know we didn't get... Okay. Well, guys, thanks for watching. I know we didn't get a whole lot accomplished today, but I wanted to let you know that I am alive and I didn't fall off my scaffolding to my death. We've got our camera girl here, and the whole squad is here, seeing the cabin for the first time in a long time. Actually, well, they've never even seen how far we've come, so this has been fun. But yeah, work's been crazy. I don't know what it is. It's the fall. The fall brings all the crazies out of the woodwork. Going to Lubbock, Texas. If anyone is there, say what's up. Love you guys. Thank you for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe. And I am trying my darndest to produce efficient content on a weekly basis. And as you can see, I have to be somewhat athletic and diligent with my schedule, and my neck is half broken right now. So anyhow, thanks for watching. It means a lot. This is my youngest, who got my beautiful blue eyes and my dark hair, and this is my second, my better half, Liz, that lets me come out here once a week. Sorry for the not great video, but I'm working on it. See ya.
And we are compressional. And sharks live in the sea. And there's and we're at Daddy's property. And bye. See you later.